Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Today, we have something absolutely mind-blowing to talk about. A rare South Korean tin 1 coin from 2012 that's worth a whopping $21.40 million. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around as we dive into the fascinating story of this coin, how it became so valuable, and what makes it stand out from the thousands of others circulating around the world. But first, let's take a closer look at this extraordinary coin. Let's start with the basics. This coin, which was issued in 2012, is part of South Korea's standard currency system, with a face value of just 10 Korean won. It's a modest coin, with a simple yet elegant design that represents South Korean culture and history. The front side features the Korean characters for 10 won, alongside an image of the mythical Korean creature, the tiger, a symbol of strength and courage. But here's the catch. While this coin looks fairly ordinary at first glance, it's not the design that makes it so valuable. It's the rarity and some very unique features that you'll soon discover. So, how did this coin go from being worth just 10 Korean won to $21.4 million? Let's find out. Before we dive into the huge price tag, let's talk about rarity. In the world of coin collecting, rarity is often the key factor that drives up value. Most 10-won coins, like the one you see on the screen, are pretty common and can be found in millions of homes across South Korea. But what makes this particular 2012 version different? In 2012, a small number of special edition 10-won coins were struck by South Korea's mint to commemorate a significant historical event. These coins were never intended to be used in circulation. In fact, most of them were intended for collectors. However, due to an error in the minting process, a few of these coins were produced with a very specific flaw, one that has turned this coin into a collector's holy grail. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These 10-won coins from 2012 had a significant minting error. Some were struck with an unusual misalignment in the design, causing part of the engraving to be incorrectly printed. While this might seem like a minor flaw to some, for collectors, this kind of mistake is like finding a diamond in the rough. What makes this so extraordinary is that minting errors are extremely rare. And when they happen, they often result in coins that are highly sought after by collectors, especially if they were part of a limited edition run, like these 2012 coins. So imagine this. A single coin, meant to be worth only 10 Korean won, now has a unique error, making it extremely rare, and as a result, it has been valued at an incredible $21.40 million. How did this coin go from being a standard, everyday item to one of the most valuable coins in the world? The journey began when a seasoned coin collector noticed the error during an auction in Seoul. At first, no one believed it was anything special, but after closer inspection by experts, it became clear that this particular 10-won coin was a one-of-a-kind rarity. Word spread, the coin was authenticated, and soon it was appraised at $21.4 million, a price tag that shocked the coin collecting world. It wasn't long before it became a headline-making story across news outlets. But why is this coin worth such a staggering amount of money? The answer lies in its extreme rarity, historical significance, and collector demand. To truly understand the value of this coin, we need to look at the world of coin collecting. Coin collectors, or numismatists, often value coins based on rarity, condition, historical importance, and even market trends. For example, certain historical coins from ancient Rome, medieval Europe, or the US have fetched prices in the millions due to their rarity and cultural significance. Over the years, rare coins have been sold for astronomical prices at auctions. The value of coins can fluctuate based on interest from collectors, investors, and even changes in the global economy. In the case of this 10-won coin, it's not just the rarity of the minting error that makes it valuable. It's also the high demand in the coin collecting market. Collectors are willing to pay top dollar for something that holds historical value, and this coin certainly fits the bill. So, what does the future hold for this extraordinary coin? Will it continue to increase in value? Experts predict that as long as the interest in rare coins remains strong, this coin could keep appreciating over time. For investors, coins like this represent a solid investment, as the demand for such rare artifacts is likely to grow. However, as with all investments, there's always an element of risk. So, there you have it. The incredible journey of a simple 10-1 coin that became a $21.4 million treasure. It's a testament to how something small can have a huge impact, and how in the world of numismatics, a little mistake can turn into a massive fortune. What do you think? Would you want to add this rare coin to your collection? Thank you for watching today's video, and it's an interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. CoinZF.